I did walk past the threshold, but I was looking at potted plants.
You're going to jail.
But I didn't steal anything.
Okay.
Is this a misdemeanor or a felony?
Felony.
How is it a felony?
The amount.
The 17th of September 2021, Chatham County, Georgia. Officers respond to a loss prevention call at Home Depot. A woman is suspected of pushing a cart of unpaid merchandise past the store's exit threshold value, $775. She identifies herself as a nurse and single mother of two. She denies any intent to steal throughout the encounter. Officers conduct a traffic stop, question her, and ultimately arrest her on a felony shoplifting charge.
Yeah. Take a seat. I'll be right back.
I was going to look at plants. I was coming back in to finish paying.
Alright. I wasn't trying to walk in. Step over here.
What the hell? Am I going to jail?
I don't know.
But I
Depends on if you stole anything.
But I wasn't attempting to steal anything legit.
Set your phone up there. You got anything on you I should know about?
But officer, I wasn't attempting to steal anything. They put him in the back of the car?
Mm-hmm.
But what did I do?
Apparently shoplifting.
I didn't take anything though. I was going to look at flowers.
Alright, take a seat.
What the hell?
Let me see that. Take a seat.
Listen, I was looking at flowers. I wasn't trying to steal anything. I did have a buggy with some stuff in it, but I was going to look at plants and coming right back in. I wasn't trying to walk out with the stuff.
Okay. I'm going to run them real quick. I don't think the black female is anything other than just a driver. So once I run her in the car, I'm going to cut her loose. And then I'll swing up to where Joseph's at.
Officer, like on my kids, I wasn't trying to steal anything. I'm a nurse. I have a job. I'm not going to deliberately steal anything. He came and snatched the buggy like I was trying to steal something.
Where's Joseph?
So am I going to jail?
I don't know.
Well, who decides that?
That'll depend on our investigation.
But I wasn't deliberately trying to steal anything.
Okay.
I did walk past the threshold, but I was looking at potted plants. I wasn't trying to walk off. Then the minute I got out the door, he grabs the buggy, scares me half to death. I was looking at flowers. I told the lady I was coming back in to buy mulch.
She's going up to talk to Joseph, see if the driver had anything to do with it.
Where's the girl?
The female's in the back of my car.
But I wasn't trying to steal anything. I'm a nurse. Like, I don't have to steal. Legit. I wasn't trying to steal. I'm confused.
42 is involved.
I have two children. I'm not going to go to jail for something stupid like shoplifting. What is this, a misdemeanor?
Again, I don't know what you stole, so
I
I don't
wasn't
know
stealing
if it is or not.
anything, though. I'm not going to sit in jail for something I didn't do. Can I go talk to the man and tell him what was going on? Because I wasn't trying to steal. I'm a nurse.
What does your occupation have to do with you?
But I'm saying I'm not going to go deliberately f up my nursing career for that.
Okay. I mean, we have lawyers that have gotten DUIs. So.
Well, I ain't going to do no dumb. Look, listen, I'm a single mom and two kids. I'm not going to go and steal something. I had nobody to care for my kids.
Was the black female involved at all too?
No, ma'am.
Just the white female? Okay.
Alright, so I just wanted to let you know that.
545.
The driver's not involved.
Under Terry versus Ohio, 1968, the traffic stop required only reasonable articulable suspicion satisfied here. Under OCGA section 16814, shoplifting is complete the moment merchandise crosses the last point of sale. Intent to return is irrelevant to the actus reus. The subject's explanation does not negate the offense. Cart value, $775. Georgia's felony threshold, $500. Section 16814B1, 1 to 10 years. Correctly applied. Probable cause for warrantless arrest under Section 17420 is met by LP report, surveillance, and cart value combined. Illinois versus Gates, 1983. Probable cause is evaluated under totality of circumstances, all three factors satisfied. A radio exchange about the black driver's involvement warrants equal protection review under the 14th Amendment.
That's what I'm saying. We weren't trying to steal anything.
10-4. I'll meet you back up at the store.
So my boss wanted to know, is there any way I can talk to her? Are y'all okay with that as well? We just want to know, like, if there's any specific spot she's taking merchandise. She's been hitting all our other stores.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll have to read a Miranda first, I believe.
Okay.
But yeah, that's fine.
All right, Miss Hills.
Somebody tell me what I was pulled over for and how long it's gonna take. Cause I gotta pick my kids up from school.
Okay. Well, your passenger was a shoplifting suspect at a Home Depot. All right.
Shoplifting.
Yes, ma'am. So, here's your ID back. All right. Thank you for your cooperation. You have a nice day, okay?
I could go.
Yes, ma'am. All right. I'm going to transport her back over there and talk to Joseph.
All right.
Appreciate it. Miss Hills is free to go, and
Well, yeah, because I wasn't stealing anything.
Well, that's just yet to be seen. I'm going to go up. I'm going to talk to loss prevention, review the video footage,
But
and we'll go from there.
I walked out of the store, but I wasn't going any further than that. I was looking at flowers, and I need to get 20 bags of mulch. I guess maybe I should have left the buggy sitting right there and went out and got the shit. Damn, and I was on the phone. I guess they were calling me. I don't know, but I wasn't deliberately trying to steal anything. I'll tell them that, like, honestly. They have never had no issue with me in here before stealing. I've always come in here and purchased my stuff. They can pull up tapes on that too. Like, I would never deliberately steal anything.
She's been in it for a while with a bunch of different stores.
Yeah. What'd she get today?
It's a felony amount, over 1,000.
Oh, did she put it in the car?
She didn't get out the store with it. She got the buggy back.
Hey.
Well, it's $7.75. We have to use the subtotal. We don't
Whatever,
have
it's still felony.
Yes.
Whatever.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run in, talk to him real quick.
We understand, guys.
All right.
Jesus Christ, go, man.
Okay. I'm just gonna stop talking to people.
Am I going to jail?
Usually that's what the cuffs mean, right? What you gonna do?
Yeah.
Okay.
$775.
We got
I like it.
every other case we have on her felony too, so.
Nice.
Mike wanted to know if I could talk to her, or y'all can ask her a question for me. Trying to figure out where she's taking the merchandise, if they're just taking it to some specific spot or something. Probably won't say anything though, but yeah. I'll just tell him my problem.
Yeah.
That's all I'm gonna say.
I can't let you talk to him in the back seat.
Oh, I guess I'll put them on there.
You keep knocking. It's
I'm
not
just
gonna.
asking, am I going
Okay,
to jail
but
or
calm
what?
down. You keep.
But I wasn't stealing anything.
You keep knocking on the window. It's not gonna make me answer your questions any faster, any slower. Calm down. We explain everything. We open the door.
But I
Do you
wasn't
understand?
stealing anything, though.
Well, I wasn't there. I don't know. Apparently, you were. So can you please? No. This is where you listen to what I'm telling you. Get out of the vehicle.
Ordering the subject from the vehicle is lawful. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977, compliance is required. Subject disclosed a prior aggravated assault bond. Georgia bond conditions prohibit new arrests, revocation likely. Rear cuffing is standard. The policy citation is acceptable. But the subject disclosed lupus and reported immediate numbness. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force must be reasonable, given all circumstances known to the officer at that moment. A disclosed autoimmune condition creating numbness requires an immediate cuff tightness check. None was captured.
That's where we have court dates.
Okay, well, I'm not going to get a bond for this, am I?
You will on Monday when you see the judge.
I have to sit until Monday?
Yes, ma'am.
How is it a felony?
Misdemeanor amount in Georgia is $500. The amount of the items in your cart were $775.
I wasn't stealing this stuff, though. Can I talk to them or something? Because I literally was not trying to steal. I was going out there to look at mulch and plants, and I was going to come back in and pay for my stuff. Maybe I should have left the buggy sitting by the damn register. Shit, I didn't think. I was on the phone. I'm a homeowner. Like, I don't understand this. I'm on bond right now for aggravated assault with my baby daddy back in January. Family violence. And I still don't have a court date for that.
Well, if you're already on bond, they probably will not give you a bond because most of the time your stipulations for bonding out are no new arrests.
So I'll have to sit in there for a year.
Well, until your court date at least.
A year or more. What'd the camera show?
You walking out the front door?
Did it show me stopping?
Nope.
What did it show?
Showed you talking on a cell phone waving a receipt.
But did it show me trying to stop to look for flowers? Because I did. After he grabbed the buggy, it didn't show me trying to explain to him that I was looking for flowers. Don't you have a say in if I get arrested or not?
Nope.
I've had plenty of officers that I've seen let people go.
Not for felony amounts, I gather.
But it wasn't a felony. I don't understand. I wasn't trying to steal anything, officer. Like, legit, on my kids, I wasn't trying to steal anything. Not intentionally. I'm gonna lose my job, my house. My kids have nobody to care for them. What am I supposed to do? I don't have anybody here. My kids are at the house right now by themselves. What am I supposed to do?
When you get to the jail, call somebody to go look at them.
I don't have anybody here.
Well, give defects a call when you get there.
I can't talk to them because I wasn't stealing. Don't I have a right to face my accuser?
Yeah, in court.
But it'll be a year more. I wasn't stealing.
Just like I also don't have to read you Miranda because I'm not asking you any questions.
The officer declined Miranda, citing no interrogation. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966. Custody plus interrogation both required. However, the subject's earlier unwarned statements in the patrol car may face suppression at trial. Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984. A traffic stop is not custodial, but that protection ends when formal arrest attaches. Surveillance showed her on a phone, waving a receipt. No footage confirmed she stopped to examine plants. The mens rea defense lack of intent will be tested directly against that video evidence at trial. LP identified a multi-store pattern using the same tactic. This supports potential organized retail crime charges under Georgia law. Grades: lead officer, grade B, accurate statutory application, correct Miranda doctrine, professional demeanor throughout. Deducted: no documented response to the lupus disclosure. No cuff tightness check despite an immediate numbness complaint. Subject: grade C+. Physical non-resistance prevented escalation. But she made continuous unwarned statements and disclosed prior bond status. Failing to invoke the Fifth Amendment was the critical error. Every voluntary statement is prosecutorial evidence. Loss prevention. Grade B. Effective cooperation. LP overstated value at $1,000 plus, confirmed at $775 by officers. Inaccurate valuation in LP reports creates direct credibility challenges in court proceedings. Key takeaways. In Georgia, crossing the threshold is the offense. Intent to return is an affirmative defense, not an automatic exemption. Miranda does not protect voluntary statements. Silence is the only reliable Fifth Amendment shield in detention. Disclosing prior bond status to arresting officers only confirms aggravating circumstances. It carries no legal benefit. Medical conditions must be disclosed, and officers must respond. Failure to document that response creates liability exposure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.